Let's convert a HEIC photo to JPG. So here's I have a HEIC format photo. Now to convert it into JPG, we have to open My Files app. And now just navigate to the photo. So here's the HEIC photo. Long press on the photo to select. Now tap on More and tap on Rename. Now all you have to need, remove this HEIC format from here and type here JPG and tap on Rename and tap on Change File Extension, and that's it. We have successfully changed our HEIC file format to JPG and select our option to open the file. Thanks for watching.